Hello friends, welcome back to this new video. Today's topic is how to calculate sum of numbers based on an item selected from a drop-down list. As you can see in the screen, here I have a sales report for a departmental store. Here in this cell, I have created a drop-down list to select a specific category. When I select a specific category here from the drop-down list, in this cell, the total sales for this selected category should be calculated. In this case, we can use here a function that is the SUMIF function. So here in this cell, press equal to, then type SUMIF function, open the bracket. In the range parameter of the SUMIF function, select the category range of the data source. So select this range. Then put a comma. In the criteria, click on this category that is selected from the drop-down list. Then put a comma. And here in the sum range, select this sales amount range in the data source. Close the SUMIF function, then press enter. This will calculate the total sales amount for this specific category, grocery. Now if you select a different category, for example vegetables, here you can see the total automatically change. So this is how you can calculate the total of numbers based on an item selected from a drop-down list. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in next tutorial.